Laser welding operation and setup teaching. First, open the light gate. Enter the editing page. This power is a percentage of 3 kilowatts. 25% power is about 700 watts. This is the type of welding. We choose straight line welding. This is the weld bit width. Normally, we only need to adjust these 3 parameters. In this interface, we only need to adjust the welding start time and welding end time. Turn off the oscillating arc welding process. Click to start. Drag the robot to a safe point. Click the button on the left. Drag the robot to the starting point of the welding. Click the button on the left. Drag the robot to the end point of the welding. Click the button behind. Lift the robot to a safe point. Click the button on the left. Rotate angle at safety point. Click the button on the left. Drag the robot to another welding starting point. Click the button on the left. Drag the robot to another welding endpoint. Click the button behind. Then drag the robot to a safe point. Click the button on the left. Long press the left button to end. Turn off simulation mode. Click to start welding.